Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maximum Math Games. In this lecture, we will be continuing with the previous class. In this lecture, we will be solving a similar problem to the one solved in the previous video, but the method of solving these solutions will be completely different. Okay, so now the question is, arrange the following in increasing order: 2 to the power 1 by 2, 3 to the power 1 by 3, fifth root of 5 and seventh root of 7. Pause the video if you want to give this question a try and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. Alright, so now one solution can be, solution number 1 can be that we can take the LCM of the powers. So we can take the LCM of 2, 3, 5 and 7, which now comes out to be equals to 210. So now what we do is we raise these numbers by the power 210. So under root of 2 will now become 2 to the power 105. Cube root of 3 will now become 3 to the power 70. Fifth root of 5 will now become 5 to the power 42. And seventh root of 7 will now become 7 to the power 30. But now we have a problem which is not that easy. We have to compare 2 to the power 105, 3 to the power 70, 5 to the power 42 and 7 to the power 30. Okay. So obviously this is not a good method and hence we are going to analyze if there is any other alternative method by which this question can be solved. So now that the solution 1 has failed, let us check out the solution number 2. Okay. Now what we'll do is, rather than taking all of these and comparing these 4 terms at once, what we are going to do is we are going to take these terms in pairs. Okay. So now let us consider this term and this term. Okay. So now the competition is between under root of 2 and cube root of 3. Now the LCM of 2 and 3 is equals to 6. So we will raise the power by 6 and hence under root of 2 will now become 2 cube. Cube root of 3 will now become 3 square. 2 cube is equals to 8. 3 square is equals to 9, which will simply implies that under root 2 is less than cube root of 3. Now let us compare fifth root of 5 and seventh root of 7. Okay. So fifth root of 5 and seventh root of 7. Now LCM of 5 and 7 is equals to 35. So what we are going to do is we are going to raise the powers by 35 units. So fifth root of 5 will now become 5 to the power 7 and seventh root of 7 will now become 7 to the power 5. Now 5 to the power 7 is equals to 78125 and 7 to the power 5 is equals to 16807, and hence we can say that this is obviously greater than this quantity and hence fifth root of 5 is greater than seventh root of 7. So now as of now we have gotten the expression that this is less than this and this expression is more than this expression. Okay. Now let us compare under root of 2 and fifth root of 5. Okay. So under root of 2 and fifth root of 5. Obviously the LCM of 2 and 5 is equals to 10. So what we are going to do is we are going to raise the powers by 10 units. So under root of 2 will now become 2 to the power 5. Fifth root of 5 will now become 5 square. So we have to compare these two values. 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32. 5 square is equals to 25 and hence we can say that under root of 2 is greater than fifth root of 5. And hence this is all the calculations that we needed to be able to arrange these values in increasing order. So the undisputed king will be cube root of 3. So this will be the greatest value. Okay. And then because under root of 2 is greater than fifth root of 5, which is obviously greater than 7th root of 7. So 7th root of 7 will be the smallest value, and then we will arrange these values, that is under root of 2 and 5th root of 5. So 7 to the power 7 is less than 5th root of 5, which is less than under root of 2, which is obviously less than cube root of 3, and this, my friends, is the increasing order of these 4 terms. Okay, I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.